Hello wonderful people, welcome to Chef Gabby GA channel. Today we are going to learn how to cook potato and leek soup. I know you are going to enjoy this recipe. Come, let's do it together. Yalla!
Dear friend, these are the main ingredients we are going to use for our leek and potato soup. Leek, potato, garlic, olive oil, salt and pepper. And I will add stock to it. I will list the ingredients I use for the stock under the video. Before I continue, let's go through the cleaning process of leek. Leek contain lot of layers, and during the growing process, sand creep inside and stuck inside. And if you don't wash it well, you just wash it under tap, you only clean the sand and the dirt outside the leek, but the sand stuck inside can never be cleaned. So before you continue, let's go through the cleaning process of leek. Friend, I will cut the green part for stock. That part is not that sweet, and I will divide the light green part or the stock into 2 or quarters. Cut it and put it in a bowl of water. When the water is plenty, it will wash the leek from any sand or dirt. That is the best way to wash your leek. Other than that, you just wash it under running water, and I tell you, your soup will be full of sand. So this is the best way to wash your leek. Pot is on fire. I will add the olive oil, leek and the garlic and saute till it is translucent. Then add the potatoes and the stock. And there are 2 ingredients in the stock you should never miss it when you are making vegetable stock for your potato and leek soup. 1, bay leaves. 2, fresh thyme. These 2 ingredients you should never forget to add it to your stock. I will add the stock now, about 1 liter, but I will not add all. When I'm blending it and it is too thick, then I add more. It is better that way than you put and it become too light. I will add salt to taste, cover and cook it for about 15 minutes. 15 minutes now. Let's check the potato if it is fork tender. Edem wabin soko is soft now, so ready to go into the blender. The soup is too thick, so I will add the remaining stock to get the consistency I am looking for. I will bring back the soup to boil. Taste and adjust the taste if I have to with salt and black pepper. You can equally adjust the taste with butter and cooking cream if you want your soup to be more creamier and richer. The soup tastes amazing. I can feel the thyme, the leek, black pepper, and the olive oil. This is very delicious soup. It doesn't take much time to do. It's very simple. Please, you do try it at home, and I know you are going to enjoy it. Just garnish it with little olive oil, and if you like, more black pepper. And I know you'll be doing this soup at least every week. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. God bless you, and God bless us all. Adieu.